Hello everyone, I am fine. I hope you will feel also fine. Today we will discuss about everyday science quiz. So let's start. So first MCQ is according to the size of planet, the Earth is the largest planet in our solar system. So correct one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So correct answer is fifth. Total moon satellite of our solar system is 214. Total moon satellite of our solar system is 214. Third MCQ is which line separate our outer space and atmospheric of Earth? Which means कि which line separate outer space and atmospheric of Earth? Option 1 is a KARMAN line, second is MESSOF line, third is KARMAN line, 100 km, or option D is none. So option B is the correct option. Most abundant element in Earth's atmosphere is नाइट्रोजन. मोस्ट abundant वो की अगर बात आए तो वो होगा नाइट्रोजन. सेकंड मोस्ट ऑक्सीजन है, फिर हमारे पास कार्बन आएगा. फिफ्थ MCQ is crust plus upper mantle is also called hydrosphere, mesosphere, lithosphere. Option D none. So correct option is option C lithosphere. Next slide. 6 MCQs. Maximum temperature is experienced in which layer? So lower core, which mean के lower layer जो है उसी पे maximum temperature experience होता है. Earth is made of how many rocks? Earth is made of igneous 97%, sedimentary, metamorphic 4%. Most abundant element in Earth's crust is oxygen. जब अर्थ क्रस्ट की बात आई तो फिर ऑक्सीजन होगा, अगर एटमॉस्फेरिक की बात आई तो फिर क्या होगा? नाइट्रोजन होगा. सो नेक्स्ट MCQ द मोस्ट अबंडेंट मेटल इन अर्थ क्रस्ट इज आयरन, ऑक्सीजन, एल्युमिनियम, सिलिकॉन. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज एल्युमिनियम 8.8%. अर्थ क्रस्ट में मेटल की जब बात आए तो वो होगा एल्युमिनियम, अगर नॉन मेटल की बात आए तो वो होगा फिर ऑक्सीजन. 10th MCQ marble is metamorphic rocks, slate. Option B sedimentary, airy rocks, C igneous rocks, D is none. So option 1 is correct, metamorphic rocks, slate. People living in high altitude usually have, which mean that's the people lives in high altitude usually have smaller number of white blood cell, larger number of white blood cell, smaller number of red blood cell, larger number of red blood cell. People living in high altitude usually have larger number of red blood cell. Option D. Most abundant rocks on Earth's surface is sedimentary rocks, igneous, metamorphic. So MCQ जो है sedimentary rock 75%. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Vitamin A, vitamin B, C or D? Vitamin C is called ascorbic acid. MCQs is which of the following vitamin is synthesized in the body by intestinal bacteria? Intestinal bacteria are those bacteria that live in our intestine. Like most bacteria lives in our large intestine. These bacteria help in absorption and the release of other waste material. So these intestinal bacteria synthesized especially vitamin K. Healing of wound is hastened by vitamin C. Lack of vitamin D cause which of following disease? BERI, rickets, scurvy, anemia. So option B is the correct. Rickets. These various type of cancer are treated by cobalt 6, uranium, vitamin B, or none. So this is the radioactive element. So various type of cancer are treated by cobalt 6 radioactive. 18 MCQs. Deficiency of vitamin C lead to disease known as scurvy, infertility, racket beriberi. So option A is correct. Scurvy. Which vitamin is called folic acid? So vitamin B9 is called folic acid. Which of following help in clotting of blood? So vitamin D is help in clotting of blood. The vitamin which can be most easily synthesized in human body is called vitamin D. 22 MCQs. Muscular and nervous disorder is due to lack of vitamin E. So these two type of disease, muscular and nervous disorder, are due to lack of vitamin E. So next we have diopter is a unit of measurement for power, lens, force, or none. So option B is lens. Lens for measurement unit of lens is the called diopter. Seismic graph used for earthquake, cosmic radiation detection, pressure measurement tool, none. So option A is correct. Earthquake seismic graph is used for earthquake. One who knows everything, we will call it literate, scholar, omnipotent, omniscient. So we called omniscient. One who know everything is omniscient. So this our video is end. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.